The Jamaica Association of Social Workers Mental Health Hub that was conducted today was conceptualized as a community outreach initiative focused on mental health, wellness, psychosocial support, and community care. Now, in light of the impact of Hurricane Melissa last October, we as an association, we recognized the importance of creating a safe space, a supportive space where the residents of Lambs River could access encouragement, information, and practical assistance during the recovery period. Now, why we chose Lambs River was because Lambs River, like several communities across Western Jamaica, has faced challenges following the hurricane. Now, we wanted to ensure that residents had access not only to, material support, but also to emotional and psychosocial support, which is often overlooked after disasters. Now, social workers, us being social workers, we understand that recovery involves both physical rebuilding and emotional rebuilding. And some of the activities that we had at the Mental Health Hub included mental health education, as I said before, psychosocial support, wellness discussions, community engagement activities, and we distributed some donated items to the residents. We also provided a space where community members could openly discuss the emotional effects of the hurricane, including, the stress and uncertainty that many families within the community experienced following the hurricane. The response has been very encouraging. We have social workers and volunteers that traveled with us today from several parishes, from as far as St. Thomas. And, we have all come together in the spirit of service and solidarity. This reflects the profession's commitment to supporting vulnerable communities, especially during times of crisis and times of recovery. Our message is that recovery is not only about, just rebuilding the infrastructure. We hope that, persons will take away from today that it is also about rebuilding hope, resilience, and emotional strength within the different communities. And we want persons to know that they are not alone, and the support systems actually do exist out there to help them. Now, mental health matters. We also want them to know that mental health matters, both before the storm or a crisis, during, and especially after. This initiative is one, at this point, we're not able to say if it's going to be a yearly thing at Lambs River, but what we do hope as an association is to continue the outreach into more far-reaching communities in Western Jamaica.